We're here in Rosemont Gardens here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we're heading straight into Montego Bay's city center. This is Island Max showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. So as soon as we get out of this rough road, we're gonna hit the main road there on the Salt Spring Main Road and continue straight on. We're gonna enter Montego Bay from King Street end. Alright, then we hit St. James Street into Sam Sharpe Square. It's a lovely afternoon. Early in the afternoon, this is what the streets of Rosemont Gardens look like. A lovely neighborhood. It's a middle class community. Rubbish here need to be collected. Showing you what the interiors look like, the parts of Montego Bay that tourists don't normally pass through, unless probably they book an Airbnb in some of these locations. But it's not your regular tourist area. These are the communities of Montego Bay, of St. James. Alright. Whoa. They need to do some bushing in these parts. Hope the community can come together and do some cleaning up before Christmas. Alright, so we are now going to exit here. Going to exit Rosemont, and this is Salt Spring Main Road, passing Brown Hardware. There's a laundromat, yes, on the left, dry cleaning services. Gonna be passing where the chemical company is, Island Products. You can get your bleach and your soap bulk products to purchase in these parts here. If you know these parts of Montego Bay, let me know in the comment section. Yes, let me know who's watching this video and where you're watching from. We'll be passing another stoplight down here before we continue on. A little bit of traffic. It's a weekend, but there's some traffic here. Let's go. Alright, we made it. There's a Church of God here on the left. I hope this brings back memories to persons who usually frequent these parts. There's a road right here on the left that can carry you back onto Brandon Hill, which we have featured recently. Here. Again, if it's your first time in this space on this channel, do remember to tap that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. It just might be in your neck of the woods here in Jamaica. The road here is narrow. Listen to me, if you can drive in Jamaica, you can drive anywhere else in the world. This area is called the Canterbury area. I'm not seeing any signs indicating, but I have an idea. This area is Canterbury area. Soon reach King Street. When is your next trip to Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section. Persons coming from church. see the sign there. Use free Wi-Fi, Canterbury Universal Service Fund. Yeah, so they have free Wi-Fi in this area. So this is Canterbury. There's another country where we find the name Canterbury. I can't remember right now. You can let me know in the comment section. Canterbury. Isn't that like an English name? Alright, so see the sign there on the right saying welcome to Albion Lane. On the left is Uptop Drive. That road should carry you to a new development that they're building up there. Right where the Aura Vista guest house is. We have not heard any information about the name of that development, so I'm still searching. Alright. On the right is Love Lane. And here we are now on King Street. This is King Street. And we have now reached the city area of Montego Bay. We're going to make the left turn here onto Union Street. First Church of the Lord, Universal Church on the right. If you love Montego Bay, just type One Love Jamaica in the chat or in the comment section. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Notice we're getting a little afternoon drizzle as we draw closer to the hurricane season. But it's hot, it's red hot, just like in Texas, according to my subscriber. Alright, so we're going down now into the intersection of St. James Street and Union Street here. Alright, let's make the left turn here onto St. James Street. Juicy Patties is there straight ahead. Whoa, I like how they decorate Sam Sharpe Square for the upcoming Emancipation and Independence celebration. Welcome to Sam Sharpe Square. Let's go. We have the green light. The fountain is going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I like how they set this up. So the police post is right here on the right, and the Islamic community, they're having an event right here in the square. First I'm seeing them in these parts here. This is St. James Street, busy as ever. What are these drivers waiting on? Church Street runs right across this intersection here. There's a Digicel store here as well. Taximen. Today is Taximen Day, meaning for persons who own the taxis, sometimes not the driver own the taxis, but the owners, they give the taximen like a Saturday to make their money. So today is the day that the taxis, oh, there's an e-bike here, electric cycle there for sale. Alright, so today is the day that the taxi operators get for themselves, some of them. So they are running the road red. Listen to the sounds of Montego Bay. Yeah man, busy, busy indeed. Love Jewelers on the left. Beautiful. They're collecting the garbage in this section here. And Quartz is straight ahead. And the police are here as well too. Let's go on to Barnett Street now. Welcome to Barnett Street. The car park, bus park on the left. So it's Trinity Mall. On the right is Heritage Mall. Fire station is over there on the left, yes. They're having an event over Pier 1, but let's go onto Harbour Street. Then we see what's happening over Pier 1. I see they're setting up. Alright, so this is Harbour Street. We're on Craft Market. Like some of the shops there are closed. It's a Saturday. Craft Market is on the left. Church Street on the right. Now you know how to navigate Montego Bay, all because of these videos. You know how to navigate Western Jamaica as well. You know how to travel from Montego Bay to Kingston, St. Ann, Ocho Rios, Falmouth. Man, alright, so we're in the Bay West area now of Montego Bay. Now you know how to traverse the city. So ensure that you tap that subscribe button. I don't want you to miss out. Alright, so I'm going to check out what's happening in the Pier 1 area, Harbour City area. I see there's some decorations there. I'm going to check it out. See if we can catch this light here. Island Grill Restaurant on the right. KFC is on the left here. Not too far from the hip strip. Yes. Alright, we have the green light. Let's go. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, the wrecker here trying to get through traffic. We're good to go. Alright. So we're in the rightmost lane. Harbour City and Harmony Beach Park is on the right. Yes, there's a free beach park here. Paid parking. You have to pay to park though. Alright. So if you don't want to pay to park and you want to go to a free beach, entirely free, check out beaches such as Sunset Beach or Buccaneers Beach. Let's stay in this lane. I love how it's just bright and sunny, man. Wow. These busmen trying to break the line or something. Oh, it just gets narrow here. Okay. Sale, yes, they're selling guineas. All right, let's go. So to the right is the entrance to Harbour City. Let's make the left turn here. Alright, so this is the road now that will carry you to Pier 1. Pier 1 is a popular restaurant and grill and events place as well. See what they're setting. Oh, see some there. Oh, they're preparing for a party here. Oh, Joyride with Agent Sasko. All of that is happening right here. Yes. So that's what they're setting up for. A joyride party today. Let me swing by Pier 1. And see what's going on. Big party. Agent Sasco being the guest artist will be held here. Wow, look at persons there in the parachute way over. Alright, so this is Pier 1 restaurant, bar and marina. This is what it looks like. Take my time on these stones here. So when you have your VIP drive, your vehicle can just go right around these stone blocks, this paved path here. Lovely. I'm telling you, Pier 1 newly renovated. It's a good look. If you're in Montego Bay, these are some of the places you have to come to. Pier 1. World renowned. Even the owners, man, I tell you, beautiful people. They do a lot of charity work, especially during the hurricane. Pier 1, the boss of Pier 1 was some of the persons who helped to feed the community right in the aftermath of the hurricane, give out water, etc. Yeah, man, we have some beautiful people in these parts. Beautiful, man. So 9 o'clock later today we can come. Beautiful. Joyride little more. Here is the flyer. Agent Sasco Joyride vibes of the 90s. Right here outside Pier 1. Alright? Let's continue on the road. Alright, let's continue. Knutsford Express. And if you have packages to deliver from Montego Bay to Kingston and vice versa, the best company to use, fastest, quickest, is Knutsford Express. Right out here. The bus is normally parked on the left there. Alright? So check out Knutsford Express for you to do your inter-island deliveries. Intra-island deliveries. Intra means within. Right, intra. Bubbles Bubbles car wash on the left. Straight ahead is Harbour City. And I'm going to show you what the parking lot looks like, because they're setting up, they're beautifying now slowly for tomorrow. So back-to-back events will be held here. So they're putting up some of the, they call it now, the backdrop cloth here, orange and yellow. Very much later in the evening into tomorrow, this area will be transformed into Sunday Souls party. Alright? We are now going to make our exit out of Harbour City. You can charge your electric vehicles right here. Right here is where you can charge up your electric vehicles. So if you go electric in Jamaica, you don't have to worry. We have the infrastructure slowly building out for your electric vehicles. Harbour City, we could say, is Montego Bay's first smart mall. Yes. Let me show you what in there looks like. It's a smart mall. They use solar to generate a lot of their power. Even the lights on the outside here is solar. And that's 876 Sheen Fashion there on the right. Showing you what the mall looks like. In the evenings you can come get your ice cream out here and just relax and watch. They have a fountain there as well. If you're in tune on my latest live video, we went to a dance. They were having a dance class right beside the fountain here in Harbour City. So much going on. We love it. Alright, we're gonna make the left turn. Alright, so we are on now Howard Boulevard. If you wanted to turn into Harmony Beach Park, you'd make the left turn here. Very secured park. You can just go and sit down under the trees on the lawn. Let's go on to the hip strip. There's a sign. This is Montego Bay's hip strip, aka the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Or you might hear the term Gloucester Avenue. It's the same area. It was renamed from Gloucester Avenue to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. But some business establishments, you might see Gloucester Avenue on it. Big up to our reggae icon, Jimmy Cliff, R.I.P. True stalwart icon here from Montego Bay. 4th Street is on the right. Letting me through. Big up Mr. Chuckman. Pork Pit is on the right as well. And it's hot. And over on the left is the Old Hospital Beach, buzzing with activities. Let's see if there's a parking spot here. Oh yes, we can have a look and see what's going on over there. This is the walk from the road. The road is up there. And this is the walk coming straight down onto Old Hospital Beach. We love that they cleaned up the space. Beautiful, beautiful beach. You can just walk off the road. They cut the grass. And you can just come and have a swim. Look like persons even cook here. Yes. Yeah man, the space is cleaned up. See them taking pictures down there. So the visitors come and in the glass boats, they can take pictures right there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah man, this place is buzzing with activities. Beautiful. Look at that. So that side is the fun side, take pictures, etc. And this side now, man, look how the sun just nice. Can come play football with the locals here. Some youngsters, or just have a swim and just relax under one of these trees. Taking the beautiful view here of Montego Bay. This is the Old Hospital Beach. Just lovely. Look how pure. Look, listen man. Right now I want to take a swim to beat the heat. Alright, this is what it looks like here. Alright, let's continue on the road. Let's go. Alright, let's continue. Jumbo Chicken over there. Chinese operated restaurant there. Fast food. Yes. Hotel 39 is on the right. Just showing you what the hip strip looks like. Coral Cliff is on the right, Margaritaville on the left. Um, 2727 Lounge coming up on the left as well. Right here on the left. Lovely seating area. Lovely night spot here in Montego Bay. Visitors just walking and enjoying the different shops, gift items, clothes, Rasta colored, Jamaican colored, memorabilia, etc, etc. Well, if you want to come and draw some money, you want to use the ATM machine, there is one right here on the left. It's a multi-link Scotia machine. Can be right here as well. On the right, we can change your cash. There's a MoneyGram International money transfer agency there as well. So you won't be left stranded. You know what to do to get your funds. Alright, if I continued straight, I would have carried me to Sunset Beach. The police coming through. Police coming through here with some dignitaries. See them here? Look like the minister is here. Who else is here? A big convoy. Look at that. Man, I wonder if it's the Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, coming through. Alright, Hotel Gloriana is on the left. That sounded like the Prime Minister is here, but what event is happening now? I don't know of any event happening now. I'll have to check it out. But this is the Godfrey Dwyer Boulevard, the same road that carries you to the Sangster International Airport. And that's where we're going to end up for this video, at the arrival section for Sangster Airport. They start put on the oil on the road. More police coming through. Yeah, they start to oil the road here on the left. I know they're gonna pave it before the Christmas period. Let me slow down right here. Stoplights hardware gone in already. It's just to wire it up and get things going after the road is paved. We love this. You know, this is where we welcome our guests, so it should be looking lovely, and there should be ease of access, ease of movement for our guests and citizens. The giveaway sign is here. We can proceed. Alright, so we're gonna keep left to go into the airport. We're gonna switch lanes though. Oh, stay in this lane. Alright. And we're going to, if you want to go straight to the arrival, you'll keep in the middle lane here. Wait to join the roundabout and continue around to the arrival section. Let's go. Oh, there's a 5K run coming up. Yeah, I like the traffic changes that they made. It's just that they need more visible directions as to where to go. But I love the traffic changes that have been made here. Sign says no left turn. There it is. No left turn to the departure section, going straight to the arrival. Parking lot is on the right. Who saw the video that we did inside the airport? Yes, we did a video inside the airport, so be sure to check out that video as well. And this is what the arrival section here looks like. Busy time. Look like we have a couple flights just coming in. Persons waiting to pick up their loved one. I normally don't see this type of traffic here. Probably the police is not down this side. You soon see them still. Police are always here. I don't see the police here. Oh, that's why the traffic built up, so the police is not at this section. It's the first. I see the police vehicle, but I don't see the officers. Alright. So that was the arrival section there we just passed for Sangster Airport. And this is the way you'll drive to exit the airport. Madam, where you drive, sir? All right. Still haven't fixed the potholes here right outside the airport. What are they? The officials or whoever waiting on to fix the potholes here. My, whoa. And they catch me. Alright. Now you have seen how to move around Montego Bay from the interiors, from Rosemont Gardens to the airport. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max, showing you the beauty of one Jamaica, one location at a time, one route at a time. Bless up my people. One love. I'll catch you very soon. Tap on the video you're now seeing on your screen. Blessings.